Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Home Kitchen, where I do family friendly recipes that everyone can enjoy. So today's video is for a salmon tikka tray bake. Sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. Now we take our salmon fillets and we just skin them and then we cut them into cubes. These are about 1 inch square, just about bite size. And we'll set them to the side while we make our tikka dip. So we're going to take some fat-free yogurt, some freshly grated ginger, and some crushed garlic, chili powder, paprika, turmeric, ground cumin, garam masala, ground coriander, some freshly squeezed lemon juice, and some salt and black pepper. Now we'll give this a good stir around, and then we'll take our salmon fillets and we'll just pop them in and we'll let them marinate for about 30 minutes. Now folks, if you're enjoying my videos, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. It does help the channel and it means I can make further videos for you. But now we'll just give our salmon fillets a mix round, and as I say, we'll let them marinate for about 30 minutes. So while our salmon's marinating, we're going to make a yogurt dip. So you take some fat-free yogurt, some freshly chopped mint, some freshly chopped coriander or cilantro, some lemon juice, and a spoonful of granulated sweetener. Just give that a mix around again. We'll pop that in the fridge and we'll let it cool down while we're making our salmon. Now we take a oven proof tray and we line it with some grease proof paper. Then on top of that we're going to spray some olive oil. Now we're going to add some vegetables, cauliflower, some red pepper, some yellow pepper, and some sliced red onion. We'll just spread them about, make sure that they're all even. Now we'll give those a little spray with some low calorie cooking oil. We'll season them with some salt and pepper. We'll take them over and we'll pop them into a preheated oven, which is heated at 230 degrees centigrade, gas mark 8, and we'll cook them for about 15 minutes. Now after 15 minutes you can see our vegetables are starting to char, so we're going to add our marinated salmon. We'll just spread the salmon about to make sure that the air can get round it. Now we'll turn our oven down to 200 degrees centigrade or 180 fan. We'll pop our salmon and vegetables back in for another 10-15 minutes, just until the salmon's fully cooked. As you can see, our vegetables are charred, our salmon's fully cooked. It's now time to serve our salmon tikka with roasted vegetables. Now folks, I like to serve mine with some couscous, but you can serve yours with rice, or even if you want with some salad. Folks, if you've enjoyed this video, again, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my further videos.